Yung bola, pakiusap, huwag muna mag-dribble. Yung mga nasa gilid na may hawak ng bola. 34 seconds. Crucial to, baka tumalsik yung bola sa gitna. 34 seconds. Pakiusap lang. Thank you.
Double mo yan. Shot, kalak na siya. Oo.
30 seconds time left. Foul by number 4. Teka lang. Number 4. 5 fouls. Graduate. Second team foul pa lang. Second team foul. Wala pa. Second team foul pa lang. 26 seconds. Wala pang penalty. Second team foul pa lang. Siya ang lamang ng red.
Graduate na, 4. Graduate na.
Number 4, graduate na yan.
Second team foul. Graduate na, 5 fouls na.
26 seconds. Yan ang boss. 20 seconds time left. 12. 15 seconds time left. 10 seconds time left. Time remaining 9 seconds. Lamang ng isa ang green.
Nakaagaw sa kanya.
Wala na shot clock. 59, 60, 9 seconds. Time left. 9 seconds. Time left.
Umikit sa kanya, hawak na bola.
Yung mga bola, tabi lang mga bola. Nine seconds, time left. Red ang lamang. Ay, ano, green ang lamang, green. 9 seconds. Teka lang. Both teams, wala na time out. Ah, puta. 5 seconds. 4 seconds, time left. 4 seconds. Wala na time out, 4 seconds. Jump ball.
Red ball.
2 seconds time left. 2 seconds. Wala na time out, both teams. 2 seconds. Sige. Oh, yeah. Malaman sa championship at red.
Miss you.